Hello and welcome to Company Law Tutorials at UCC School of Law. My name is Michael Boland and I'm going to be one of your company law tutors for the coming year. Don't just think of company law as something that you have to endure, or as a component of the FE1s, or as something that you need for qualification as a barrister or solicitor. Don't even think about your university exams in company law. For now, think about how important the study of company law is, given how impactful corporate activity is in all our lives. Whether it's internet or telephone providers, electricity suppliers, banks, streaming platforms like Netflix, or social media companies, we rely on corporate ingenuity every single day. Now, don't get me wrong, we've been burned by corporations too. For one thing, we don't like how corporations can make huge profits but upend lives and societies in the process. Think of what caused the banking crisis. Irish banks, well, they lost the run of themselves lending to the property sector. They offered borrowers plenty of carrots, which of course made them bigger and richer, but devastated ordinary families. But corporations also have positive impacts on our lives. Nearly 2 years ago, when COVID-19 started to spread across the world, we were told that it could take up to 10 years to develop a vaccine. But within the space of just 1 year, major pharmaceutical companies had begun selling their life-saving vaccines against what was a never-before-seen virus. Now, in September 2021, more than 5 billion doses of vaccine have been administered. But none of these great innovations and discoveries would be possible without this man, Aaron Solomon. We might describe Aaron Solomon as the father of the modern corporation, as he was at the center of this infamous case, Solomon versus A. Solomon and Company Limited. This case confirmed that the corporation is a single entity with its own legal personality that is distinct from its shareholders and directors. It means that if a company goes insolvent, the personal wealth of shareholders is not put at risk. Do you think that people would be willing to invest in brand new initiatives if their home and other personal assets would be placed at risk? Probably not. But because of separate legal personality and limited liability, the risk of investing in new ideas that might either fail or be the next big thing is reduced. And of course, we as a society ultimately benefit from that. So company law isn't just necessary for qualification as a solicitor or barrister. It is necessary for us as consumers and as members of society, because, like I said, the corporation impacts all our lives, even in ways that you may not have realized.